Hi students, I briefly wanted to go over with you some APA formatting help for this week. I've included all these handy links here in modules for you. This first one has some tutorials and some other clickable links that might be helpful. A printable formatting guide right here. And then I did want to show you on this video the APA, or American Psychological Association, example, which is probably the easiest thing to look at and then make yours look like this, obviously. So we're switching from Modern Language Association to APA. It's a completely new way of formatting. It's similar in some ways, but some major differences that I wanted to highlight include this title page that you will make for APA. So you include the title of your essay, and please title it something other than research essay. Like, put some thought into it, give it an original title. You'll center and bold that at the top, and then space, 2 spaces, and then your name, Department of English, comma, Cisco College, your subject, including the section number, Professor Smith, and then the date, written in traditional format. You'll recall in MLA, it's no commas, and the day comes before the month. Good news in APA, it's just a traditional, straightforward date with the month spelled out. Beginning page 2, you don't have your last name in the header, just page number. You'll include the title again, the very top, centered, and then left, not justified, but just left aligned text. You'll indent, double spaced. Another major difference between APA and MLA are the parenthetical citations, which you'll see highlighted here. Generally, it's the author's last name or the title of the book or the article and the year of publication. That's it. So you don't have to worry about page numbers. Also, it contains a comma between the year of publication and the author or the title of the article or book. Another difference would be headings in APA. Of course, if you're writing a 3 to 5 page research paper, you probably will not have headings or footnotes or anything like that. But later on in college, you most likely will. So here's where you can learn how to make headings for APA. Lastly, another major difference is references instead of works cited for your bibliography. So this is called references, bolded, centered, and then, of course, use APA style citations instead of MLA. And also in this module, I included an APA citation generator. So that's what this link is here. Now, if you're in the library databases and there's a cite option, you can just copy and paste the APA entry. But if not, you just click on this link and you input all this information here, or anything that you have, starting with the URL of the website, or if you don't have a website, the title that you're working with, authors, publication dates, date accessed, etc. Whatever you've got, type in your information and then hit cite source, and whatever it generates, you can copy and paste onto your references page. So that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. Again, this is not something I care terribly about, but you will have professors in the future who will count off significantly for formatting errors. So learn it now, get used to it, jump through the hoops. If you have questions, email me. This will be part of your grade. It's on the rubric, APA formatting. So learn it, use it. This is here to help you organize your paper and to make it readable and accessible to readers. So that's it. Enjoy. I will see you guys in a week. Take care.